Alright, next set. Let's see what we can get. Oh, so there you go. You can see what we got. I said Mando in the last video, not Mando. Bo-Katan. Sorry. Sorry to all you folks out there who actually know the names and I just messed it all up. My bad. But it's okay. Let's move on. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Number 1. Indeed. R2-D2. I mean, we already got him, but he's still awesome. What else? Oh, already got him. Already got Luke. Yeah. Already got him too. It's gonna be a whole dupe packet. I'm still missing a lot. I got so many dupes. I'm still missing some of the other common ones. All dupes. This whole package. Boo.